start now. If your videos aren't getting any views or your channel isn't growing, you're probably making one of these 10 mistakes, and I have made most of them, and fixing just 3 changed everything for me. Yes. Hi, I am Bolivars, and I help new creators grow faster and smarter on YouTube. Hit that subscribe button if you are tired of uploading with no results. Let's fix that today. Yes, today. Number 1, be inconsistent. See, posting randomly is killing your growth on channel. It's killing your YouTube channel. Yes, YouTube love consistency. Yes, I gained more subscribers on my YouTube channel when I started to post 5 videos per week. It's not easy, I cannot lie for it, it's not easy. But when I started, at least you can pick 2, 3, 4. Yes, because I don't post weekend. I don't post Saturday and Sunday. I use those time to rest, to edit my video, and I only post maybe poll in my community. Yes. So my tip is what? Pick 1 or 2 days or even 3 and stick to them and be posting on your YouTube channel. Yes. So number 2, focusing on subscribers too early. Most people are just changing subscribers on YouTube too early. You see a channel that have 500 subscribers and the views even struggle to reach 100. That is killing your channel. I will not say more than that. And some people are changing subscribers instead of making helpful content. I need to slow them down. So what? Focus on value and what? Subscribers will come. Focus on value, offer value on your channel, and subscribers will come. Part 3, weak title and thumbnail. See, your title is your hook and your thumbnail is your clickbait. I mean the good kind though. So what? Work on your thumbnail and title. It matters a lot. And if you don't know how to create thumbnail or title, watch this my video on how to create thumbnail. Yes, watch it because it matters a lot. Number 4, not hooking viewers in the first 10 seconds. Some people intro is bad. You are losing viewers before they even see the good part of your video. Yes, start with a question or a result or a bold statement. Yes. Number 5, talking too much. And showing too little. Talking too much, showing too little. Don't just talk. Show proof. Don't be by show working. Show screen record, edit. See, YouTube is visual, not text page. See, if you check any of my video in my channel, yes, any of my personal experience on YouTube, I do show proof. Because what? Only fools doubt proof. Let me play the video for you.
When the man talks, particularly when he's wearing black suit or grey suit, it will take demons in your village for you not to be gripped by the words. You hear things like, only fools doubt proofs. You are only classmates in school. After school, there are no classmates. Each one finds his class. And self-discipline is what determines the class that you find yourself in. And discipline goes beyond accomplishing your goals. It is what safeguards you from the devourer. You'll soon be out of here. And no one will be pursuing you to submit your assignment. No one will be pursuing you to go to chapel. Self-discipline. Is it true or not?
Number 6, ignoring analysis. Yes, ignore your analysis. See, YouTube Studio is a gold mine. Your click-through rate and retention tells you what is working on your channel. Don't ever ignore. Don't just say, let me try random content. It will go far. No, don't. Watch your YouTube analysis to know the content that is doing well. Yes. And number 7, trying to be perfect. See, perfection is illusion. It's illusion. It does not exist. Perfection will slow you down. Post that video, learn from the video, and what? Improve. Progress beats perfection. If you check my channel, I've posted more than 100 videos. Each video have much improvement after the other. It has another improvement after the other. And number 8, not having a niche. A random channel is hard to grow on YouTube. Pick a lane, tutorial, vlog, storytelling, YouTube tips, then build from there. And let me say, if you want to do everything, create playlist that you put it. Yes, things like this. And number 9, ignoring comments. Some people are bad in that thing. People will comment. You will never appreciate somebody that comment on your channel. Don't you know you can have more views and people should watch that video? Some people should not comment. Because what? Your community lives in the comment section. Reply, ask questions. Did you enjoy the video? Build real connection with your community. Post in your community place. Yes. Drop posts, drop tags. It do helps a lot too. Because what? I used to do it well. I drop post in my, even if I not post, I drop post there every time. If I never post, I will go and upload. Between this one and this one, which one do you pick? Between this one and this one, which one do you pick? Yes. And number 10, giving up too easily. Growth takes time. Some of my best videos did not blow until weeks later. Some after like 3 days, then it will just pick up. See, don't stop at your 10 upload or 20 upload. You could be 2 videos away from making a breakthrough on YouTube. So what? Just keep posting, keep learning, and keep improving. Yes. And I have a question. Among all the mistakes I have mentioned before, which one did you make? Drop the number in the comment section. Which mistake have you made before? Drop that answer in the comment section. Or let me repeat it for you. Number 1, being inconsistent. Number 2, focusing on subscribers too early. Number 3, weak title and thumbnail. Number 4, not hooking viewers in first 10 seconds. Number 5, talking too much, not showing too little. Number 6, ignoring your YouTube analysis. Number 7, trying to be perfect. Number 8, not having a niche. Number 9, ignoring comments. Number 10, giving up too soon. No. So, I hope you found this video helpful. So, and if this video helped you, subscribe, like, and share, because part 2 is coming up with 10 more. So I hope you found this video helpful. See you in my next video. Bye.